Hey guys, I want to thank the brand for sending this over for me to share with you guys. This is an iPhone 17 Pro Max case with a finger ring here. I want to show you, and I'll show you close up in a minute, that does collapse. The background main color is gray, and then the leopard print part is black. I'm going to show you close up, so let's take a look. Okay, so I want to show this up to you up close. This iPhone case is made of a TPU material. It does have the elevated raised rings around the cameras. That gives your lenses a little bit of added protection from drops. This place where you can actually place your finger to actually help hold it pops out. I like that you can easily collapse it down if you don't want to use it, but it is definitely easy. Helps with holding it if you like that sort of thing. I know some phone cases have a ring that kind of feels bulky to me. I like that this one collapses completely down and is smooth if you want to not, for when you're not using it. Now, this texture, this is a little bit of added texture. This isn't just, like stamped on there. This is actually a little bit elevated, so it does give you a little bit more grip. Not a lot, but a little bit. When we look over on the other side, you will see the lip here is a little where it will go over the edge of your glass a little bit. That's another feature that helps protect your glass. If you are in the market for a new iPhone 17 Pro Max case, this would be one you might want to check out.